Hey y'all, I'm Jamie Deen, and I'm making pasta. Welcome into today's show, y'all. We're making one of my wife's favorite dishes from my book from many years ago. This is a quick lemon and basil linguine. It is so good. My mom was telling me earlier that the older she gets, the more she loves pasta, and the older I get, the less I like pasta. But I love this pasta, and I'm gonna show you why. Take a look down here. Lemon juice, lemon zest, basil, cream, olive, garlic. This is the easiest recipe that you can make a fresh pasta at your house for your family. If you want to grill a chicken breast ahead of time, slice it, serve it on top of here, you've got a wonderful meal in no time. I've boiled our pasta off. I used a little bit of salt in the water. And anytime you make pasta, y'all, make it a habit to reserve a little bit of your pasta water. You're gonna need to add a little bit of liquid to loosen this sauce up. And why in the world would you want to use tap water when you can use water from your pot? The starch that cooks out of the pasta lends itself to this water to help make a more creamy sauce. So always take time and reserve about a cup of your pasta water before you drain it. Now we're gonna stay right here in this same pot. I've been told to give you good measurements, so I'm gonna check my handy dandy cheat sheet since I've kept close since middle school. So in this pot, now that I've got the pasta cooked, we're gonna add our oil. And in here is, if somebody would hold this about 14 feet from where I'm standing, it's
You want me to hold it?
a quarter of a cup of olive oil.
And you used, did you tell them, Jamie, that you used the fresh refrigerated pasta?
I did not.
To me, that's so good.
Yeah,
And that's
much better than like a box of
the dried, yeah.
The only thing is, once you buy that, you're gonna wanna use it. You don't want it to sit in your refrigerator for a long time.
And the lemon trees are just, lemons are hanging all over. And to be able to use that Meyer lemon is gonna give it such a wonderful
Fresh
kick.
lemon too, delicious.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got our oil in here and I'm heating this up. I'm using the same pot that we were in because just like our pasta water retains a lot of that flavor, this whole pot right now is coated with pasta water and the starch and all those things inside of it. And I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of sliced garlic. I am not a measuring person, which is funny because my brother and I have written 4 or 5 cookbooks and I've written this book by myself. And when I'm at the house cooking, I don't hardly ever measure anything. I just get a kind of a feel for it. But when I'm working with y'all, I want to supply it. And of course, Eddie or Teresa will post this recipe. This is really one that I want y'all to use. It's delicious. So it took that quick and my garlic is already browning. So I'm going to turn this down. Into this pot, I'm going to add our cream. Let me make sure I'm doing this right now. I'm going to stir in the cream, the lemon juice, and then I'll season it just a little bit. So we have a quarter of a cup of heavy cream and about a quarter of a cup of fresh lemon juice. So I'm going to stir this right in. Ooh, my pan is hot. That already smells good. Yeah, man. Cream and lemon and the garlic. I have an excuse. This is not my house, and I don't cook on electric ranges, but boy, howdy, did that get hot quick. I need to turn this down even more.
It did burn your garlic, did it?
Browned it perfectly.
Good.
Well, I wish y'all could smell that with the fresh lemon in it. Check that pot out. Okay, and what we're gonna do next, we're gonna cook that for just a second. I'm gonna add a little pinch of pepper. A little pinch of salt. Then we're going to simmer this down for just a couple of minutes. And this, y'all, is our sauce. Super simple. Now to this, I'm going to add our fresh basil and our Parmesan and our lemon zest. Lemon zest is where the flavor's at, y'all. And I've got half a cup of fresh grated Parmesan that we're gonna add here. So this is really gonna thicken up nicely. Ooh, that smells so good. Now this comes together pretty quick. See how tight this is? This is where our pasta water is gonna come in. It's so important. Now think about the flavors we got in here. The oil, the garlic, the basil, the Parmesan, the fresh lemon juice, and the fresh lemon zest. Man, that is a bright dish. Okay, and then now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get some tongs. Where are my tongs? Tones. And I'm gonna toss this pasta in here with my tongs. And I'm gonna get my pasta water close because I know I'm gonna have to thin this out some. So let's go with about a half a cup of my pasta water. Really gonna have to work this over to get everything married and incorporated together. Still a little thick, so I'm gonna use the rest of our cup of pasta water. Thin this out. Who said making sauce is hard?
I want to see that too. Lordy mercy. Wouldn't some shrimp be good in that?
Oh yeah, shrimp would be really good in here.
Or chicken?
So let's go over here to our board. We've cooked enough. Give me a little bit more room to work here.
Now, when you make that at home, Jamie, do you put chicken or anything in it, or do the boys just?
The boys love pasta plain, but I always do chicken for Brooke and I.
I know that Jack likes.
And now I saved a little bit of the basil. Clean my plate up. Put a fresh basil leaf right here. I have a feeling that that plate's going to disappear pretty quickly. We'll put this one here. I've got a little bit of Parmesan in the fridge. Let me grab some.
Well, I've got to have a taste.
So I'll do a little fresh Parmesan here. Let me finish the plate, please. You're worse than my kids. And then I like a little bit of fresh cracked pepper to finish it off. So this is simple and easy. That'll be $14.99, please. Hey, thanks for tuning in today, y'all. That is a very simple, easy linguine. I'm happy to cook it for you today, and when you eat it, you're gonna be happier even more still.
Well, here's the test, y'all. Here's the test.
Here's the true test.
The taste test.
Mama says.
Nobody's gonna believe you because you're my mama.
That is so good.
But Eddie's about to eat his, and Teresa's about to eat hers.
Hers? That is so good, y'all. No, I'm just trying to stand up here and think. Yum. Why have you not fed me this before?
Because Teresa didn't pick out the recipe.
Not enough days in the week. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Love and Best Dishes, is that what we're calling it now?
That's what I call it. That's
Hey,
what I've said
How
for
about
30
this?
years.
Y'all do good things and love one another, okay? We'll see you next time.
I like that one too. Bye-bye. Love y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.